What is up, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. So today we're about to play BeamNG Drive. So we're not going to talk no more. Let's hop right into the game. So you know me, right? If you've been here, 2 subscribers. Gotta thank you guys. All I have to say is it's just like happy to be here. But I'm about to show you the best, strongest, and fastest, in my opinion, drag car. So, I was a little curious and stuff. Started, building some stuff, and I accidentally built the fastest drag car, in my opinion, again. So, of course you need to get the mods, and I did a tutorial how to do it inside my YouTube channel. And I got this. You're like, ooh, what's so special about this car? You'll see. See? Slow, right? Slow, right? No. This one's called no hop, so if you want it, you could. It's right here. And I called it no hop for a reason. So you're over here like, oh, it has a wheelie bar. But as soon as you get to the front, twin turbo. Oh shoot. But this is insanely quick and cool, cause I like it. And it's pretty nice. And I've been getting so angry because it was like hop. But as soon as I put the 125-pound weight in the front, and I put this more down, cause it was like up. 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, now we're about to test this out. Oh, I'm gonna feel bad for the person I'm about to verse. But yeah, you seen that? Now we're gonna race it. And I also built another one. Yeah, you heard me. Didn't stutter. Another one. What if they have a drag TRX? Looks like we're gonna build one, but let's not worry about that now. Man, I don't want to do this to myself. Let's do a cul-de-sac. Why not? Let's do a stance. Start. Those rims do not look like that. What? And I have broken the axle a lot of times. Like a lot. Not gonna talk about that. Okay. Attempt number 2. What? Come on now. What is air suspension? I didn't even know that. Okay. Attempt number. Don't remember. Come on. Come on. Yeah, you're gonna get smoked, gonna say. What? Oh, heck no. I was not running no dang 227. Hey, don't hit me. Mother cooker. Alright, so you seen that, right? Amazing. You seen how fast it goes. Oh, thank you for the follow. Appreciate it. Alright. Now, we're not done yet. We're about to do this one. Is it this one? Yeah, it is. It is. Okay. So we have this one, right? Didn't see a name. If it did, again another fast one. Okay, we're gonna do it again, but we're gonna do it this car. Now this car, I'm pretty sure it's like a burnout slash no wheelie car. There we go. Because I mean, one, it's quick, very quick. We're gonna put another drag car. See, that thing has drag tires on it. Not one drag tires on, no. Yeah, I know you guys hear that turbo. $248 miles per hour. Alright, this might be a little faster than the other one, but we're not gonna talk about that, okay? Let's just pretend that they're don't hit me. Alright, we're good. Matter of fact, I'm gonna make it to where this is really gonna get interesting. You guys know the JDM community, right? Of course you do. Where is it? What do you want to do? Smoky Nagatas. Let's do Smoky Nagatas car. I don't even know if that's even Smoky Nagatas. Like, I don't even look like it. Like that exhaust right there, I don't even know if that's even exhaust. Let's go. You have gotten out of your lane. Please stop lying. Yeah, this car hates when it's in park. Okay, so you guys seen that? Very nice, love it. Good car. Sheesh. Alright, now let's put it in second gear and let's see what this thing can do. Let's go in first person. Ooh. She is so much of real life. Oh snap. Now that's straight American motor. Now right now, probably like 20 minutes ago, I was building a car. You probably like, oh, he's using a Dodge Demon, little weaky. Oh snap! Oh, you know this is regular. Oh, but I need to put this thing in manual. That. Oh shoot. Neutral. See, look, weak. Boo hoo. Now this is the one I made. I made. I think this is, no, it's not this. Oh, it's this. Oh yeah, it's this, okay. Alright, so I made this, right? Alright, see, look, no exhaust. Pretty sure this thing is faster, way faster than Demon 170. This thing has a little weird transmission, but you know, it's alright. Turn on the nitrous. 3, 2, 1, go! Are you serious? Bro, last time I checked, this thing did wheelies. Let me see. Yeah, this thing sounds like it's about to explode. It's so weird because it's hurting my feet. But you guys seen this? So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy the next one.